Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of our Websea walkthrough. And today we'll be talking about staking and yeah, deep dive on staking. So let's move it. So first, you log into the website, or you can try it if you have the app installed on your mobile phone. Then you head over to the end section. If you look at it here, so we have Websea staking. So once you click on it, you have the staking page of our website. So we have different types of staking or different kinds of staking per se. So we have the staking pool, we have the Pinnacle pool, we have the Tsunami, and we also have the Splash pool. And for newbies, for newcomers, we have an APY of up to 38% for your first staking. Like if you stake for the first time, you get up to 38% APY. Then for your next stake, you get 20%. If you look here, I have 20% right here. So I can also view to the history. I can go down to the history to see my stake. So if you come to the wave pool, you see that I have stake. One thing about the Web6 staking is that you get your reward every day. So based on how much you stake, you get your reward, which you can claim, which are redeemable on a daily basis. So let's move back to our staking and let's dive deep. So you click on the learn more. On the learn more, it takes you to this taking news or this taking announcement. This was published about 2 months ago, and it pretty talk about staking. The kind of staking in Web3. So currently we have three kind of staking. We have staking which requires you to lock your stake amount for 90 days, another for 180 days, and the last for 360, which is the Ripple Surge and the Crest staking. And as you can see that for newcomer, for new user, you get up to 38% of what of your APYs. And that will be the initial staking APY, then flowing at 20%, if you continue it further. And how to stake, I can just zoom out. So how to stake is pretty very easy. First, you log in, you navigate to that section which we also discussed at the beginning of this video. Then you select the staking period based on your financial goal. Always note, your staking period should be based on your financial goal. Like me, I don't need that amount of money, which WBS, which I stake. So, that's what I did for 1 month. So, also your stake token, of course, then you confirm. Then once you stake, it is being locked up for a certain period of time. As we discussed here, we have a 90-day cap, we have a 180 and 360, as we discussed earlier. Another thing to note is this section here, like if you opt into for the 90 days lockup period, you get 11.25% APY, return after the first 90 days. Then an annual, like if you continue, if you roll this thing over, you can get up to 45%, annual, which is by the end of a year, which is three times of course, 90 days. While for such, 180, if you did for the first time, you can get for the first single time, you get a 29.25 APY. Then, annual, as for if you do it two times that particular year, you get also 58%. Then for Christ, you get, for 360 days, you get a whooping 76% APY. And of course, since Christ is almost 1 year, so you also get the same thing here as we have here. So that's quickly that on what we have to talk about for today. More we have the pinnacle which we discussed earlier, and staking process is very very easy, which is also highlighted here. So for the staking program, you purchase the token, you stake the selected token, and you earn credits daily. You can get it daily. And we also have auto lock features, like if you want to opt into, auto lock at maturity or restake as well at maturity, you can get that feature. And, this section is where you can, get all your, I think I can still claim some rewards. Let me see. Oh, wow. All right. So I've claimed some rewards because I have some stake on the Pinnacle, Tusima, and the Splash pool as well. So that will be the end of this video for today. We'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.